Hi there guys, I'm a filmmaker and editor and I love looking at all the YouTube videos to learn stuff, and today I'm going to teach you how to do this. So before we jump into the tutorial of how you'll do that, I think the first thing to mention is if you're editing this, it's probably better you think ahead about how you're going to shoot it first, because you do need a clip where a foreground object is going to pass all the way across the screen from either the left to the right or right to the left. I've seen a few YouTube videos on this, but nothing that clear, so I thought I would show you guys today how I'm doing it. It's really simple, it's just using image mask and well, let's get stuck in. So here you have the first clip with the object running from left to right, and then you have the second clip of the church. So what you're going to want to do is go to the clip and find the point where the corner there shows up, and you're going to mark that. I'd mark just before actually. So mark where the new clip should start, and then you're going to fast forward through, and you see the very corner there, that's just going away. Okay, that's the last frame right there, so we're going to mark there. So that's our in point and that's our out point for the new scene. Now here's the new clip. Put the new clip on top onto the first point there. Now what we do is we're going to find mask, and we go to draw mask. We're going to drag that on top of the clip, and then up here we want to choose linear for this example because it's a straight line. So now you're going to press V. That allows us to see below about the clip points. The next thing you need to do is you're going to need to reduce the size of the viewing field, and then you're going to add in your clip points. Make sure it's a complete loop like that, and then you need to press on the control points plus, which will make it record the new point. There we go. So that's the first point, the second point. Third point, you move the right arrow on your keyboard for the next point. Done. Next point. Done. I think I'll fast forward this part for you guys so you can see. I mean, this is the funnest part of being an editor, isn't it? Just doing painstaking, repetitive moves constantly. Okay, so we're done there. We can flick through that and see what it looks like. That's roughly right. The other thing is, if you want to make it look a bit smoother, you can play around with these areas here, which is feather and fall off, which is actually pretty useful. I usually stick it around 38, something like that. You can see the difference. It gets sharper, softer as you move them around. And now we will reactivate that top clip, the new clip, and you see it revealed. Now let's go back to the fit, and then let's review that. So sliding across, new clip revealed. Right guys, well that was it. I mean, yeah, it's a great little transition. Obviously it can really, make a scene or two clips come together look really nice, but don't overuse it. I've used it once just now in a corporate video. I wouldn't use it 5 times in that, and yeah, you don't want to get too carried away with it. But yeah, little tricks like that really help everyone get into the content. So there you go. All right, like, click, subscribe. I don't know what you're supposed to say there. If you found it useful, and please write your comments below. Cheers, bye.